You guys even know that applying work permit so easy from home that you guys don't have to pay to consultants and lawyers for that. Welcome back on another video, and you're watching Paritello. In this video, I will be talking about how to apply a work permit online, what documents to upload, and how much you have to pay to IRCC. I mentioned timestamps in the description down below if you want to watch any specific topic. The viewers who are new here, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So now, without wasting any time, let's play the intro. So first of all, we need to open up cic.gc.ca website, and then after that choose English language, and then when you scroll down here and then click on my application, and then after that scroll down, sign in or create an account. And then when you scroll down, I'm already signed in with the GC key, so I can directly sign in with the GC key. But in case you are not registered with them, so you have to click here, don't have an account, you have to click here register, and then after that you can register with them, and then you can come back here and then you can sign here. So I can just click here, sign in with the GC key, and then just I can type in my username and password and then sign in, continue, and then terms and conditions I accept. And then in order to validate the validation, they'll ask you a security question, so just type in your you have to answer the security question. As you can see, I've already signed in my account, and you scroll down here. In order to apply for the work permit, you have to click here, apply to come to Canada, and then after that they ask for a personal reference code. In case you don't have it, so just ignore that, scroll down here. I don't have a personal reference code, so click on this one, and then after that find out if you're eligible to apply. We have to answer all of these questions. What would you like to do in Canada? So we need to work, and then after that, how long are you planning to stay in Canada? So it's gonna be temporary, more than 6 months. Then after that select the code that matches the one on your passport. So we have to choose India. And then after that, what is your current country territory of residence? So that's Canada. Do you have a family member who is a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident? No. And then after that, what is your date of birth? And then after that, next. Are you lawful permanent resident of United States? No. Next. What is your current immigration status in Canada? So student. Next. Do you plan to work on campus? So no. Next. Are you a full-time student or a participating post-secondary institution? So in this one, no. Have you currently graduated from a participating Canadian post-secondary institution? Yes. Is your work an essential part of studies? For example, COPE? No. And then next. Have you been told by Immigration, Refugee and Citizenship Canada office that you are approved in a principle for permanent resident in Canada? No. Have you submitted a permanent resident application in Canada? No. Do you have a written job offer? No. Next. Do you have an official letter from your school that confirms you have completed your study program? Yes. Next. What is your marital status? Never married, single. What is your preference of destination? So I'll choose Nova Scotia. Next. So on the basis of the information we have provided, we are eligible for these two categories. So we'll choose postgraduate work permit in Canada, and then hit continue. Again hit continue. Do you have an official letter from your school that confirms you have completed your study program? Yes, because whenever we complete our study, we get official transcript from our colleges, so we have to choose yes. Then next. And then after, have you had a medical exam performed by IRCC authorized panel physician within last 12 months? No. Then next. Have you lived in a designated country or territory for more than 6 months in the last year? So this basically means, have you ever lived more than 6 months except Canada or India? So it's gonna be no. Then next, do you want to work in one of the following jobs? So I do not want to work in these jobs, so I will choose no. And then after that, next, do you want to submit an application for a family member? No. Next, are you giving someone access to your application? No. And then next, in the past 10 years, have you given your fingerprints and photo biometrics for application to come to Canada? No, I haven't given yet, so no. Next, there are fees associated with this application. Will you be paying your fees? It's gonna be yes, I will be paying my application fees. And then next, then after that, are you able to make a digital copy of your documents with a scanner or camera? So yes. Next, will you be paying your application fees online? So yes. Next, so after filling all of your answers, you can review answers over here. In case you have made any mistakes, again you can edit them and then you can rewrite your answers. And then when you scroll down after checking them, hit continue. And then after that, submitting your application. Step 1, use your account, save your application. You can just read down all of these steps. And then when you come down here, continue your document checklist. So the first one is IMM 5710 form. So I've already made a video on this form, how to download and how to fill IMM 5710 form. You can check out that video. I'll also put the link in description down below. And then when you scroll down here, recent education transcripts. So you have to upload all of your transcripts, because you can make a PDF and then you can upload here. And then second one, completion of study letter. So you have to upload this one here. And then when you come down here, you have to upload passport and then digital photo. And then what is the requirement of digital photo? You can see here, it should not be more than 4 megabytes. And then this is the optional documents. You don't have to fill it. You are doing your application on your own. So this is the official fees for this application, in total of $340. And then when you're done with all of your uploading documents and paying the fees, and then after that your file will be officially submitted, and then after that you're eligible to work. After applying work permit, you guys come under applied status. In that case, you guys can work full time without any hesitation. If you have gained any information from this video, so please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel, because I will be uploading such type of content that can save a lot of your money. If you have any queries, so do comment in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.